Okay, I'm Khafra Garcia Henry. I am with the University of Central Florida at HCA Ocala Hospital. I serve on the Emergency General Surgery Committee for EAST. EAST fosters relationships, builds careers, promotes advocacy and collaboration. And I think the Emergency General Surgery Committee helps do all that. It through the EAST PMG committee. We have PMGs for emergency general surgery. We share cases throughout members of our committee as well as other members of these, where we share our patient stories, surgeries, different techniques. And I think the Emergency General Surgery Committee assists in doing that, as well as fostering mentorship throughout the committee with mentor-mentees. I think it's important to get involved to help improve patient care throughout things like I mentioned, like building relationships, collaborations, and the PMGs. And I think it's also important to help promote change. And I think the only way to do that is through evidence-based medicine, which EAST promotes.